Embracing plant-powered culinary adventures. Vegan cooking tips for a vibrant and healthier lifestyle. Introduction. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is not only a conscious choice for ethical reasons, but also a transformative step towards better health and well-being. This comprehensive guide offers a treasure trove of vegan cooking tips, designed to help you navigate the world of plant-based cuisine with creativity and confidence. By understanding the principles of vegan cooking and incorporating these practical tips, you can embark on a journey towards a more vibrant, nutritious, and fulfilling way of living. The wholesome foundations of vegan cooking. A nutrient-dense plant-based ingredients, exploring a diverse array of fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and plant-based proteins. Understanding the rich nutritional profile of vegan ingredients. B. Balanced nutritional intake, strategies for ensuring an adequate intake of essential nutrients. On a vegan diet, e.g., protein, iron, calcium, vitamin B12. Creating well-rounded meals to support optimal health. 2. Culinary techniques for vegan cooking. Mastering flavor profiles, utilizing herbs, spices, and condiments to enhance the taste of vegan dishes. Balancing flavors for a harmonious and satisfying culinary experience. B. Cooking methods for plant-based goodness. Exploring techniques like sautéing, roasting, steaming, and grilling to bring out the best in vegan ingredients. Maximizing flavor and texture through appropriate cooking methods. 3. Building flavorful and nutritious vegan meals. The power of plant-based proteins, incorporating diverse protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and seitan. Balancing protein intake to support muscle health and overall well-being. B. Creative whole grain choices, exploring a variety of whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, farro, and bulgur for optimal nutrition and texture. Using whole grains as a base for a wide range of vegan dishes. C. The art of tofu and tempeh, techniques for marinating, pressing, and preparing tofu and tempeh for enhanced flavor and texture. Harnessing the versatility of these plant-based proteins in various culinary creations. 4. Flavorful plant-based sauces and condiments, crafting homemade sauces. Creating flavorful and nutritious sauces, using whole food ingredients like tomatoes, herbs, and spices. Avoiding processed condiments in favor of homemade alternatives. B. Exploring international flavors, incorporating global influences into vegan cooking with sauces like curry, miso, tahini, and salsa verde. Expanding your culinary repertoire with diverse and delicious flavor profiles. V. Navigating vegan baking and desserts, egg and dairy replacements. Substituting eggs with options like flaxseed meal, chia seeds, or aquafaba. Utilizing plant-based milk, butter, and yogurt alternatives in baking. B. Mindful sweeteners, choosing natural sweeteners like maple syrup, agave nectar, and date sugar for a healthier approach to sweetness. Reducing refined sugars while maintaining the deliciousness of desserts. VI. Meal planning and batch cooking for convenience, efficient weekly meal prep, planning, and preparing meals in advance to save time and ensure balanced nutrition. Creating a repertoire of go-to recipes for easy and satisfying vegan meals. B. Freezing and storing vegan staples, storing cooked legumes, grains, and sauces in convenient portions for quick meal assembly. Minimizing food waste and ensuring a steady supply of nutritious ingredients. Conclusion. Embracing a vegan lifestyle is not only a culinary adventure, but also a journey towards improved health and vitality. By incorporating these practical cooking tips and techniques, you can savor the deliciousness of plant-based cuisine while nourishing your body with the abundance of nature. Remember, the key to successful vegan cooking lies in creativity, exploration, and a willingness to embrace the diverse and vibrant world of plant-powered ingredients.